I was in high school. Ma'am Norms, Dr.
Nung
Norma
tumay kaya siya ng
Kamagdala.
mabaga, pakasaksak, pinag-iwag niyo sa
And
IP.
of course, we have
Tinuro sa akin,
our
tapos
Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Fatima Buen, ma'am. And
live na rin.
Dr. Wilfredo Gabara, sir. And we have also the two chiefs from the CID and SGOD, Ma'am Edita Crucis, and Ma'am Sansit. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am Sansita Peñarubia. We also have, okay, the Division Information Officer, right? Mr. Froilan Tena. Okay, sir. Hello, good morning. And of course, the different, our two dynamic and ever-supportive BSDSS of Pulangi North and South Districts, Dr. Nanette Kapitbahay and Ma'am Shi, Dr. Cheryl Sabando. Hello, ma'am, mga ma'am. Okay, we also have our dynamic and very supportive in the field of education. Of course, the people from the LGU Pulangi, headed by Honorable Mayor Andy Mariscotes, with our municipal councilors, marami. And the chair on the education committee, right? Mr. June Villar. Hello, sir. Good morning. Si Papa niya. Okay. To be represented by the SK Federated, si Chairman JJ Villar. Ayun. Ayan, dumating na po ang ating hinihintay. Ang kandila, very important thing during the blessing. Who have not yet signed our attendance sheet, feel free to sign here. So for a few minutes, we are about to start the blessing with our Reverend Father June Barkis.
Picture video. Malam. Puro ka naman ba? Puro ka naman ba?
LGU Pulangi Radio and Internet TV.
Pagkatarinig ng tabi kita para sa pagka-pendisyon. Sa ngalan ka Ama, Kanaki, at ng Espiritu Santo. ang kagurangnan mapa sa Indo. Matugang si Kristo Jesus nagpahayag ang digdidan ng pagtrabaho ulikan sa iyang pagiging aki ng sarong carpenter. Nagtrabaho siya sa pagpara kan kastigo ng kasalan, asin pinagmarhay niya ang pagtrabaho